How to fix Java Virtual Machine Launcher errors. Have you ever felt excited to run your Java application, only to encounter the dreaded Java Virtual Machine Launcher error? This can be frustrating, especially when you need to execute important applications. There are many issues that can cause this error, such as misconfigured Java settings, inadequate system resources such as memory or processing power, or outdated and corrupt Java installation. Whether the message is "could not create the Java virtual machine" or another JNI error, these issues must be addressed to keep Java applications running properly. Fortunately, there are several ways to diagnose and resolve these issues, which we will cover in this video. Before we begin, subscribe to Ninja One IT Tech Tips for more helpful content like this. Checking Java installation. Ensure that Java installation is set up properly before considering more detailed solutions. To check if it is installed, open Command Prompt and type Java -version. If you get an error or an outdated version is installed, download the latest version of Java from Oracle's official website and reinstall it. To ensure that your system is configured properly, do the following. Make sure that the Java_home variable leads to the proper Java installation path, and check that the Java bin directory is included in the path variable. Mishaps in the settings can keep Java from launching optimally, so verifying these can fix the issue most of the time. Memory settings. Adjustment. Another common root cause of this error is lack of memory allocation for the Java virtual machine. This happens when multiple applications compete for limited resources. To fix this, adjust the JVM heap size settings. Enabling more allocated memory can prevent possible crashes when there is limited heap space. Fixing compatibility issues. There are times when the Java versions and application requirements don't match, and these cause launcher errors when left unresolved due to unsupported newer features. To resolve, make sure that the Java version installed is compatible with the application. Run the application with an older Java version if a recent upgrade causes issues. Change the application's launch settings by right-clicking the executable, selecting Properties, Compatibility, and run it in an older Windows compatibility mode. If the issue is still prevalent, it is also worth considering uninstalling the current Java version and reinstalling a previous, stable version. Advanced troubleshooting options. If deeper debugging is needed, it is a good idea to analyze Java error logs. These logs pinpoint where it went wrong, or the nature of JVM errors. Locate and examine the errors in the log directories of either the application or Java runtime environment. Look for and decode stack traces that could indicate memory issues, class files going missing, or conflicts in compatibility. Utilize JVM diagnostic tools like Java Mission Control or Visual VM to delve to further insights of JVM's performance and pinpoint the cause of errors. If everything else fails, it is a good idea to seek professional help from IT support or consultants specializing in Java applications. You may also consider forums like Stack Overflow or Oracle's official support channels. Preventing future issues. To prevent potential issues in the future, consider updating Java regularly to mitigate security risks and bugs. Manage class paths and settings to prevent conflicts, especially when developing in Java for cross-platform and/or embedded computing use cases. Monitor application performance and system resource usage regularly, and be proactive in addressing application-specific configurations and potential incompatibilities. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, you may click the link below to read our full article and learn how Ninja One enables IT teams to monitor, manage, secure, and support all their devices, wherever they are.